Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Shortmax app. So first things first, you have to install it to your Play Store or App Store, and then once you're done, you need to open the app. And here we have different short videos. You can simply select the type of video that you want, and here you can just simply scroll the videos. So it was like TikTok or Reels from YouTube or Instagram, and here you can log into your account or sign up. And if you log into your Facebook, you can get coins in there. And then here they have rewards where you can check in daily. These coins let you watch more videos that you want, and you can also buy coins from them, and then that's it. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.